Are you in a point in your business that you need to hire a virtual assistant? No worries. You can try one for free with Canva. Let's go. So first step, you already click on the icon called apps on Canva. As you can see, you are going to see different types of apps, and I'm going to choose DID presenter. So we'll click here, and immediately it shares the screen and explains briefly what it's all about, which are AI that will help you with presentations, masterclass, everything that you want. Then it has another option. You can use an existing document, or you can create your one from scratch. So I'm going to use existing document because I have a masterclass I already built that this new feature can really help me make this presentation better. So let's click right there and go to the next step. Okay, so you already selected the masterclass project. It's loading normally on Canva. And as you can see on the left side, you have the DID presenters that is loading up. You're gonna see that button that says connect. Click there. Once you click there, you're going to see you can connect it to your Gmail, LinkedIn account, or just use on any email that you want. Once you do all that, immediately it connects to Canva and to the presentation, and you're going to see different faces, which are the AI avatars. You see them, you can scroll, be curious, and then it says a little box that says, what should they say? So you're going to include the text that you want the AI avatar to say. Then you can choose the name, which is that it selects with a tone of voice, how it speaks English, how you want it to use. Just choose any name that you want. You can test different ones and see which one is the best style for you. And then it selects a little box that says style. So it's angry, happy, emotional, whatever emotion that you're looking, chatty, more assistant. So you select it. So it's pretty cool that you can select a tone of voice, you can select the style, and you can select which is the AI avatar that matches more with you. You choose whatever you want. Now let's go to the next step on how we can dig deeper into the selection. So as you can see, I already put the text that I want the avatar to say. I selected the language, which is English. The style is random. And lower than that, you can see you can use 20 credits on each avatar. So you can test it for free 20 times by selecting different avatars. So that is really cool. So that's why I told you you can use an AI assistant for free for 20 credits. Now I clicked previous speech to see if I liked it, and you can do this as well when you're trying to select the avatar that you prefer. Always click previous speech to see if that is a tone of voice and the style that you want. Okay, so I already did all that, and now we're going to go to the presentation so you see how it looks. Okay, so I already clicked for the avatar to be included in the presentation. As you can see, is right over there. You can change it and see where you want it. Also, what you can do is you can make it different. You can change the color, the style of how you want the avatar to be presented in your presentation, in your masterclass. Okay, so you move it around, you play with it, and see where is the position that you want it to, or how big do you want it, or how small do you want it. That's all up to you. Okay, so as you can see, here it is. Now I'm gonna click in the button presentation so you see how it looks.
Thank you for being here. My name is Brandon. I'm a virtual assistant. I'm here to welcome you to the presentation of Become the Authority created by Carina Belmonte.
It's pretty insane, right? It's kind of creepy, but it's like you can use these AI assistants now to introduce your master classes, to do something different that you want to, and it's pretty exciting. I know that at the beginning it will feel weird, but think about this. You're going to present a masterclass, right? You don't want to be the one introducing. Maybe you want to use an AI assistant so they make the introduction and then you start. Or let's say that you don't have time to make a presentation, you cannot be there because you're with clients. So you can tell them, hey, I can give you a masterclass, not me, but my assistant. And that's the way you can gain time. But there's one way that you can be there without being there. I'm gonna show you, this is the last step on how you can set up DID for your presentations. So you see this little button that says upload. You must be wondering, what can I do with that? So let me show you. You can use your own avatar to make the presentations. If you don't have time, if you need to do a masterclass, but you cannot be there because you're with clients, you can do this. So you're going to select a headshot from you. Very simple, smiling or serious, however you want to. You select it. You're gonna go and take out the background and custom size it to 500 times 500. You do all that, you download it, and now you're gonna upload it to DID Presenters where it says the button upload. Okay. After you do that, you're going to do the same things that I showed you. Put the text, the language, and the style. Of course, the tone of voice that you have is not there, okay? Because it is not there. Maybe with time, Canva will make this a feature, or maybe there will come another app that will help you have your own tone of voice, but with time, okay? So Then I chose this slide to test it out to see how my own avatar would say the words that I told them to say. And here it is.
I will deliver as much value as humanly possible in the next 60 minutes.
So as you can see, it's not 100% accurate because it doesn't look that much like me. Maybe I have to choose a different picture, but I chose a very normal headshot just to use it as my AI avatar. So what do you think? Will we be using it? Is this something you're curious about? I think we're getting into a new step with Canva, and it's becoming incredible what we can do. Let me know your comments. What do you think?